Hey sunshine! Welcome to my BUJO Bite series. It can be overwhelming to get started with bullet journaling, so I wanted to break it down into easily consumable, bite-sized videos. Today we'll talk about how to choose a notebook and essential bullet journal supplies. The notebook you choose is totally up to personal preferences, but I'll break down some things that might help you make the best choice for you. First up is the type of paper. The choices here are dotted, which is the most common for bullet journaling, lined, graph, or blank. The benefit to graph is that you have more straight lines to trace for custom layouts, but a potential con, if you care, is that all the lines on the page might not look as clean. The benefit of lined paper is that lined notebooks could be more readily available, so you might have more choice in size and cover designs, as well as cheaper options. But the same con applies as the graph paper in that the lines on the page may impact the final look of the design. Blank paper is a great option if you love to doodle and need less restriction. It gives you a truly blank canvas for creation and planning, but the con is that there's no base structure to build layouts on. In my opinion, dot grids provide the best of all worlds. The dots allow you to trace the lines for custom layouts, but they look a little cleaner and are less intrusive if you do desire to add lots of freeform planning and doodles. Dotted notebooks are also becoming more and more popular, so there are a lot more choices out there. Some of the brands I've tried myself are Moleskine, Scribbles That Matter, and Archer and Olive. I've settled on using Archer and Olive for the past year and a half because I love the thickness of the paper and how bright white it is. Other brands tend to have a yellowish tint to the paper that isn't great at showcasing the true colors of the mediums you use on it. The thickness of the paper allows you to use more wet mediums like layered markers or watercolor paint without wrecking the pages beneath. The next choice you'll make is the size of your notebook. The size of notebook you choose just depends on if you plan to carry it around with you or not. A larger notebook, like a B5, is nice if you need lots of space for your layouts and want to keep your notebook on your desk, but an A5 is nicer if you plan to carry it around with you. Other features to consider are things like numbered pages, ribbon bookmarks, pockets, a pen holder, and an elastic closure. If you use an index in your bullet journal, then you'll definitely want one that comes with numbered pages, unless you want to write the numbers in yourself. The other features are absolutely up to what you think you'll find useful and your personal preference. As for essential supplies, the only thing you'll need is your favorite pen. That's it. If you want to get more artsy with it, then you can use things like markers, brush pens, pencil crayons, watercolor, washi tapes, stamps, anything your heart desires. But the original bullet journal system was built to be quick and simple, so a pen is really all you'll need. If you want a more detailed breakdown of all the supplies that I use for bullet journaling, I'll link the video above. If you found this video useful, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe for more. It helps others to discover the DarkSunlight channel and to grow our little community here on YouTube. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Until next time.